Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today I got a really cool case study for you. This is an Autoglass repair replacement client who's been running with us for 30 days, and I'm going to walk you through the results. They've gotten 55 leads in the last 30 days. These are hot inbound phone calls of people searching Google for Autoglass repair, Autoglass replacement, fixing chips, cracks, all that stuff. It's a hodgepodge of different services that people are searching for this guy because he does a lot of different things. But really cool results. Let's get into it. We are looking inside the back end of a Google Ads account for this client, last 30 days of data, which is, March 28th to April 26th, 2023. You can see here we got our campaign name, Autoglass and Windshield Repair. They also do replacements, and I'll show you all the ad groups and keywords down the line in this video. I'll walk you through each one of them, show you where all the leads are coming from. So quick hit stats up here are just a couple that are important for you guys to see, and also some of them are just for our optimization team. That's all the reason they're in here, like impression share top, stuff like that. If you are an Autoglass business, the only thing you should really care about is the cost per lead and the number of leads, right? So the volume of leads and the cost per lead. Again, if you are an Autoglass business, what you're about to see is a template, okay? We have dozens of Autoglass repair and replacement companies as clients all across the entire country. We clone the campaign I'm about to show you, swap your information in, and run it to generate leads in your market. It's that simple. This is rinse and repeat for us. We do this all the time. So if that's of interest to you and you want us to run this lead generation campaign for your Autoglass business, then reach out in the link. There's a link in the description to apply to work with us. And if your market is not taken, obviously we can only work with so many people per market. If your territory is available, then we can roll this campaign out for you in as fast as 24 hours. So go check that out. All right, that said, we have this Autoglass customer. He has a very, on the smaller side budget, right? So $50 a day, Monday through Friday. And that's, you can run and get results with that. So you don't need a giant marketing budget to make these campaigns successful. In the last 30 days, they've gotten 214 clicks, 2,600 impressions, 8.15% click-through rate, which is awesome. Their average cost per click is $5.14. Now that doesn't mean every click you're paying $5 for. That means the average across 150 keywords, the average cost per click is $5, right? Total cost about $1,100 pretty much for the last 30 days. 57 leads, so that's 57 inbound phone calls and contact form submissions for people looking for a quote for Autoglass repair or replacement, depending on what the client's going after. Usually it's both or one or the other. The cost per lead was $19.29 per lead, which is great. That's usually what this market, with this niche, usually is about $20 a lead, right? That's on the average cost per lead. Conversion rate, 26%. We're extremely happy with that. Anything over 20% is where we want to be. So all in all, a great lead generation campaign for this guy. And this, out of these 57 leads, that's a mixture of phone calls and contact form submissions. So if we go into the conversion actions, which I'll do later in this video, we can actually look and see what is what, like how many of these 57 are phone calls, how many are contact forms, and just kind of see the layout. So with that said, let's go into ad groups, and you'll see here what's going on. So SCAG, that just means single keyword ad group. So it's an ad group with just one keyword in it. So we have our target CPA set at $15. And again, leads are coming in at 19, which is fine. That's what we want to be at. You'll see here, this guy is all over Texas. And we have a bunch of geo ad groups. So that's where Fort Worth, Keller, there's a bunch, Garland. So a lot of geo ad groups are going after. There's actually 27 ad groups. So it's a pretty big campaign. But a majority of the leads are coming from windshield repair, car window repair, Autoglass repair. So all of those types of ad groups, right? If we go into the keywords, let me show you guys that. You'll see here what we're going after, right? Windshield repair. I mean, these are all phrase and exact match keywords, by the way. So we're only pushing quality here. Car window repair service, mobile windshield repair, Autoglass repair. So heavily on the repair stuff for this guy. Not really too much into the replacement. There's a couple of replacements in here. Obviously, if you wanted to shift gears and try and go after only replacement, that is something we do too. We have several Autoglass guys who only want replacement instead of the repair stuff, but the repair stuff is just easily generate leads for that stuff. So if we go in here, we'll sort. There we go. So all these keywords, all right, they're all very basic, guys. This is not rocket science. It's just we're targeting the keywords that our client services, right? So if someone searches mobile windshield repair, that's what our client does. They search this keyword, they see our client's ad, talks about, hey, we can come out to you right now and fix your windshield. Chip, cracks, replacements, whatever you need. They click the ad, they go landing page says the exact same thing, and they call or they submit a form. So it's really basic as long as you keep that message match the same all the way across. And anyone can really get results like this. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is a template, right? This is rinse and repeat. We simply clone what works. We swap in your geolocations for these ad groups. We swap in your phone number, your landing page that we will create. We already have a landing page that works, so you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is field phone calls that come in. It's that simple. So if we go to devices, let's see where all these leads are coming from. So computers. About 15 of those leads came from computers, which are actually pretty cheap leads, $13 from computers, and a majority, 42 leads came from cell phones. We want the cell phones, right? We want more phone calls and contact form submissions. They're much better sales opportunity for the client to have someone just call in and be like, hey, listen, I need my windshield replaced. There's a big spider crack across it. And then it gives our client the time to pitch, go out there, get an estimate, do all that. So all in all, really great campaign, really great last 30 days. This is ready to scale. I mean, all you really have to do is bump this to 75 a day and he will get more leads. It's that simple. That's where the stage where this is at. And that's where we want it to be. So in the next part of this video, I will walk you into the conversion actions and we'll see what's phone calls and what's contact form submissions. All right. So what we're looking at is inside the conversion actions for this campaign, for this account actually. So there's a bunch of different conversion actions set up for different things the client was running. So the only ones we're going to focus on is the ones that are attached to our campaign that we just went through. And that is call extension leads, which drove 6 conversions. All that really means is we have a special tracking number attached directly to the client's ad that someone can click and call right from their cell phone on Google, right in the Google search. So that drove 6 inbound phone calls. Next up, we have the contact form lead, which sent 30, which is a lot for Autoglass. I'm surprised. I guess I'm really not that surprised. We have a really good hook call to action for this campaign. So 30 contact forms. Now these are full name, email, phone number, your vehicle year, and then it's the vehicle model or something like that. So it's a pretty intense contact form. So 30 of those. Then these are not our campaign. Then we got phone call. This is the last one. Right. So phone call conversion action simply means someone searches Google, sees our ad, clicks on it, goes to the landing page and calls one of the tracking numbers on the landing page. So that's all that really is. So these are inbound phone calls. So 21 of those phone calls. And then there was, 6 contact form or 6 call extension phone calls. So 27 inbound phone calls from this campaign and 30 contact forms. So that's where the leads came from. And, pretty successful 30 days, lots of opportunities for sales to easily make back that initial investment for Google Ads. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Stay tuned for more case studies that should be popping up right up here in a minute.